Laguna Azul behind me. It looks like a jail for indigenous kids, but in reality it's the Blue Lagoon, a really nice place. Inside of there you find amazing places to bath and walk and chill. You can spend half of the day there. You can trip there. I usually come and swim. While Tena doesn't really have much to do or see itself, it's just a small town, this nearby Blue Lagoon is a great place to chill. And it's just one of many spots like that around here. The road towards it is amazing, perfect for going speedy on the paved part and then enjoying some easy off-road closer to the lagoon. Just before sunset, I drove back to Tena and tried this local fast food spot that everyone seems to talk about in Tena, where a lady and her granddaughter cook cheese tortillas right there on the street. The very next morning, I took off to Quito, planning to stop halfway in Papallacta Hot Springs, the best and must-visit sulfur hot spring spa in all of Ecuador. The route climbs from Tena's 500-meter jungle floor to the dizzying heights of Papallacta Pass. So that makes over a 4,000 meters, a heart-pounding 3,500-meter ascent through the Andes Mountains.
Sucio means dirty.
Yeah, we passed the fucking mountains between Tena and almost Papallacta. Always raining there, always. Right there, look. We passed that bullshit storm, that crazy fucking storm. Zoom in. That's dark. That's hardcore. Quito ahead. Quito will be right there. Not a piece of cake also. But make no mistake, Papallacta Pass is not a piece of cake. Quito itself is a piece of cake. It's a bustling city full of street art. It has rave, it has different people, many expats. I love Quito. Don't miss on my huge report from Quito. Subscribe.